people who help us. Postman, postman, what do you do? I bring letters and parcels too. Tailor, tailor, what do you do? I stitch clothes for children like you. Doctor, doctor, what do you do? I give medicines for fever and cough too. Cobbler, cobbler, what do you do? I mend sandals and shoes too. Farmer, farmer, what do you do? I grow vegetables and fruits for you. Milkman, milkman, what do you do? I bring milk for babies and you. Teacher, teacher, what do you do? I teach little children like you. We all help in our own ways. This is what we are trying to say. Chinu, I enjoyed the poem. Did you like it?
Yes, I also liked it, Meenu. We also learnt about people who help us.
Friends, will you repeat after me? A postman brings letters. A tailor stitches clothes. A doctor gives medicines. A cobbler mends shoes. A farmer grows vegetables. A milkman brings milk. A teacher teaches children like you and me. Friends, now we know about the people who help us. We should always respect them.
Friends, Buzz needs help. Will you help him? But you have to answer loudly.
What does a postman do? A postman brings letters and parcels. Who gives medicines when we are sick? A doctor. What does a farmer grow? A farmer grows vegetables and fruits. What does a tailor do? A tailor stitches clothes. What does a cobbler do? A cobbler makes and mends shoes, chappals, and sandals. What does a milkman bring? A milkman brings milk. What does a teacher do?
teaches us.
Who looks after you when you have fever? What would you like to be when you grow up? Do you know of any other person who helps you?
Shall we fill in the blanks now?
The tailor stitches dash. Clothes or shoes. The tailor stitches clothes. The postman brings dash. Tables or letters. The postman brings letters. The cobbler mends dash. Shoes or clothes. The cobbler mends shoes. The milkman brings dash. Milk or oil. The milkman brings milk. The tailor stitches clothes. The postman brings letters. The cobbler mends shoes. The milkman brings milk.
Shall we match the following now?
The doctor looks after us when we have fever. The farmer grows vegetables and fruits. The tailor stitches clothes. The postman brings letters. The cobbler mends shoes. The milkman brings milk. The doctor looks after us when we have fever. The farmer grows vegetables and fruits. The tailor stitches clothes. The postman brings letters. The cobbler mends shoes. The milkman brings milk.